Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing what matters. Back up the Roblox app data and the Happymod APK so you can revert if needed. Once done, confirm the exact versions, mismatched builds cause upgrade failures, and enable file access on your device so you can replace files cleanly. You want a stable baseline. This prevents corrupt installs and preserves progress. Make sure storage has enough free space and that you have a reliable connection for downloads, because interrupted transfers are a common root cause. Next, remove any other mod managers or leftover patched files. Conflicts make the upgrade fail. You then align versions. Install a Roblox build that Happymod explicitly supports, because compatibility is the why behind many errors. Install via a file manager rather than an installer app, and accept runtime permissions so the patch can write necessary files. Once complete, clear Roblox cache and restart the device to force the app to load the new modified resources, which prevents stale data problems. Finally, validate that the upgrade worked by launching Roblox with network off to see if local patches run. This isolates server-side checks. Then inspect Happymod logs for missing libraries or permission denials. These messages explain the why and point to the specific file or permission to fix. If crashes persist, restore your backup and try a different compatible build. Sometimes one incremental version avoids an incompatibility. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, revert to original. Update both apps from
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.